Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Join us on TikTok and Instagram. Let us know who you'd like to see us draw next. Today we're going to draw San Francisco 49ers tight end superstar George Kittle. George Kittle played for the Iowa Hawkeyes, the University of Iowa, and was a 5th round draft pick by the 49ers in 2017. He's a Pro Bowl tight end, one of the most exciting and actually fun to watch tight ends and players in the NFL. Very popular player. He's got a great personality, loves to joke around, smiles a lot, and we like that. So here we go. We're going to draw George Kittle today. Find the center of your paper up and down, the center of your paper across, and we're going to go up and draw George Kittle's big cartoon head right here up high. So grab your dark marker. Can be black, can be dark gray. We're gonna get the pointed end here, and we are going to start actually with the side of George Kittle's head. So what we're gonna do is this, watch closely. We're gonna do an arch, and stop. So this arch out to the side, arch on top, and arch down. And now we're gonna come down and do a out, to a point, and out to a connection. So what we'll do, a couple of ears. 1, they're like ovals on the side of his head. 2. Basically this area is going to be George Kittle's big beard, and up here we'll do a bump and a bump. Okay, you'll see what this is going to be real soon. And a big bump on top. Now, this is actually a man bun. It's George Kittle. He has long hair right now, and sometimes he pulls it up into this bun on the top of his head. So that's what we're going to do there. And we'll do the hair starting from the ear, come up, high and down to a point. Take that point up and down to the ear. So here's his hair pulled tight against his head. We'll do a couple of ovals for eyes. 1, almost like lemons. And 2. They don't have to be perfect, just do your best. Now in here we'll do 2 circles. Those are going to stay white. Those are the highlights of the eyes. A smaller highlight over here. Smaller highlight. We'll do an arch, and we're going to color this area in with our dark marker, leaving those highlights white, the white of the paper showing. And what I like to do really quick, I'm going to grab my light blue marker. Actually, this is more of a turquoise. I'm going to do a light blue marker and just fill this area in with this light blue color. And we like to say this is typically the reflection of the stadium lights off of the eyes, just to add some interest to our character. Okay, so from the edge of the eye, come down, make a little point, make a little point, and that's going to be the edge of the nose. So nostril down to a point, up, and nostril. Okay, let's do a big smile for George. He's always smiling, so let's do it. So let's this small arch to a point, up, round it out on the sides like he's smiling, down, slant in, down, slant in. Now we're going to connect this mouth with a little arch, a little curve down and connect. Okay, the corners of our mouth are a little darker, so we fill those in with our black marker. Make a little chin, make a little smile line. When people are smiling, we usually have lines that come out from our nose like this. And we will do the beard in a minute with our brown markers. Right now we're going to do a neck. So come down 1, 2, to a point, to a V. Alrighty, and let's do the shoulder pads. 1 shoulder pad, 2 shoulder pads. Curve those down, down, And we'll do an armpit to the waist, armpit to the waist, and connect straight across. Let's do a big football over here. He'll be holding the football like we do with a lot of our characters. One arch, and football shape is a second arch there. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for fingertips. The thumb up there. Let's do his arm coming down. This is a big muscly bicep because tight ends have to have strong muscles because they block a lot of players. So there's his arm getting hidden behind that football. He wears a sleeve, so we'll do a line there, okay? The other arm, let's try this. Bicep bump. A bicep is your muscle, right? It's the arm muscle. When you flex your arm, that big bump, that's called a bicep. So when you hear me say bicep, I'm talking about the arm muscle. Come down to the elbow. Now watch this, we're gonna do something fun with George Kittle. Here's his forearm, goes up. His thumb. Bump, bump, goes down. Those are his 2 knuckles. He's gonna be doing this. Okay, see that? My thumb, my 2 knuckles, and my 2 fingers. Finger goes up, finger goes up. Here's the glove. Comes down to his elbow. All right, that matches his personality. He's kind of a rock star. He's got long hair, got a big beard. He's having fun and playing football. So let's do the pants down here. We'll do 1, up, down, and up to the waist. 1, 2. They kind of, these are the legs and they slant in toward each other. Connect with an arch, connect with an arch. Now we'll do these big shoes, okay? Our cartoon football players, basketball players, baseball players, whatever we draw, we like to have these oversized shoes. So there's the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. Big shoe goes out to the edge and down. Straight across to the ankle and stop. Bring it up. Okay, same thing over here. Ankle goes down, stop, goes across. To the edge of the paper. Comes up, curves down, and connects to that shoelace. Awesome. Looking good, George Kittle, looking good. All right, so I'm gonna put this dark marker away. Quickly grab my red 49ers color. Get the pointed tip here. We're gonna do the number 85 in red, and then we'll color around it. So here we go. We'll do straight across, down, down, straight down, in, out, out, straight down, in, and connect. Boom. Squares on the inside, and those get colored red. A square on the inside, same size, and it gets colored red. There we have our 8. All right, so let's do the number 5. This one's a little challenging, so we'll go down, angle in, straight across, down, over, up, over, down, angle, straight across, angle up, comes up, angles in, straight across, goes up, almost done, straight across, up, and connect. Here we go. Boom. 85. Now we're going to color all that jersey red, but over here real quick, we're going to do an angle from the top of the shoulder pad down to the armpit, top of the shoulder pad down to the armpit, line, line. That's a white stripe, okay? So this will be color red. Leave that gap white, line, line, color that area red. Leave those white stripes for the jersey. Last one. just showing you what we're doing here. So there's 1, 2, 3 white stripes. Same thing over here on this shoulder pad. Lines for stripes, lines for stripes. Now those stay white. Down here on the pants, red stripe, red stripe, red stripe, red stripe. Color those socks red. We'll color some red stripes on the shoes. I'm just scribbling this in just so you can see what we're gonna do red. I'll color this in fast forward mode. And then we'll get a tan marker, kind of this tan gold. We're gonna color the pants gold, and that'll be it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fast forward. Pants are gonna be gold, jerseys red, shoes are white, red stripes, red socks, brown football. We'll color the beard in brown, the hair brown, kind of a blonde brown, flesh color. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw George Kittle. Let us know what you think of this drawing and let us know who you'd like to see next. Please subscribe. We're trying to build our subscriber base and we'd love to know what you guys think. So fast forward now.